What's going on, my friend Garrett here, and in this quick video I want to share with you exactly how I made $1,000 on autopilot in one of the businesses I promote. So as you can see right here, if I go into my back office of one of the programs I promote, you can see that on April 7th, a few days ago at the time of recording this, in one day I made one sale and I got over $1,250 paid out. Okay, I'm going to refresh real quick so you can see that this is a real back office. Okay, April 7th, one day I made over $1,000. Okay, now how did I do this? How did I make over $1,000 in a single day on autopilot without doing much of anything? That's what I'm going to cover. Now, the first thing you need is, when you want to do this, you need an offer. Okay, you need a product or service that you're promoting. Now, chances are, if you're watching this video, you may have this in place. Okay, you may have a network marketing business you're promoting. You may have an affiliate marketing product you're promoting. If you already have one, then that's a great thing. If you don't, then I'm going to share with you in this video how you can actually get one that really converts very well to be able to have these commissions coming in. Okay, let me move the camera up a little bit more so you can see this. Now, the next thing is what you have to realize. Now, the offer I was promoting for this specific one paid out $1,000 with one sale. Okay, so when you're promoting something that has a high payout, you don't need as many signups to get $1,000 in a single day. If you have a lower paying one, you can still do it. It's just going to take a lot more sales. But that was the one I did. Okay, so you need an offer. Now, the second thing you need is you need to be promoting online. Okay, now the way I did it was I used social media marketing. Okay, social media sites like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. I picked those sites and I promoted on there. Now, I'm going to share with you a very powerful bonus tip in this video, because so many people think they have to be on every single one of these social media accounts. You know, you have a lot of these so-called gurus out there telling you, oh, you got to be on Instagram, you got to be on Pinterest, you got to be on Twitter. And the thing about it is, it leaves people overwhelmed, confused, and they never really get the results they want. What you want to do instead is you want to really pick one main social media account that you want to build and get and master it, and then start spreading out. Okay, you can use that and start promoting your other social media accounts on that one account, and you're going to really start to get the results you want. But if you try to spread yourself too thin, you're never going to build consistency, and you're never going to have sales coming in, because what you have to realize is that when you pick one platform, okay, what you're going to find is you can stay consistent, because that's a big key. You have to be posting consistently on the social media platform or the website that you pick. So let's say, for example, you say, okay, I'm naturally like Instagram, I like posting pictures. I'm going to choose Instagram to build a following. Okay, and let's say you go on Instagram and you start doing it. Well, you're going to find yourself being more consistent because you naturally like it. Okay, so you want to pick a platform that you can be consistently posting on. Now, what do you post? Well, I actually did a video that I'll put a card in at the top of this so you can click on my posting formula, exactly what kind of posts to make to get profits coming in and money. But you want to be posting daily, okay, at least once a day, because you have to realize that it takes on average about 6 to 12 exposures of your product, service, or opportunity before someone buys. Okay, so if you're only posting once a week, it's not enough exposures, and you're not going to be able to get the sales you want. So what I personally did to make the $1,000 in a single day was I had an offer in place that I was promoting, and then I picked a platform. Okay, and I started posting there daily. Now, I touched on this in the other video, but what you have to understand is you don't want to just be posting random things. You want to be posting things that your target market is looking for, solutions to their problems, value. And when you do that, you're going to attract your target market. And if you're targeting people that are most likely to buy what you're promoting, then it's very easy to recommend your product as a solution, okay? Because people buy from people they know, like, and trust. And if you're not getting people to know, like, and trust you, you're not going to be able to pitch them. People hate getting pitched to. They hate being sold, but they love to buy. So when you're wanting to sell a product, you want to make them want to buy. Okay, you want to make them want to take action, and you do that by posting in a certain way and by making 6 exposures. And last but not least, what I did to make it on autopilot was I used a automated system. Okay, an automated system with follow-up emails. Okay, follow-up emails. Now, what do I mean by this? Well, as I just explained, it takes on average about 6 to 12 exposures for someone to buy, for someone to make a decision and get started, right? So what you have to understand is you want to follow up with them. Now, one of the best ways to follow up with people and make it on autopilot is by using something called an email autoresponder, okay? If you don't have one of these in place, you definitely want to get one of these in place. One of the ones I recommend is a site called Aweber. Aweber.com. I'll leave a link below in the description where you can actually get it, try it out for free for 30 days. And Aweber, what it allows you to do is it allows you to use emails, set up emails in place that you've written once before and now they're set up, and it allows you to have them automatically go out like a drip feed, sending people back to your sales video or your opportunity until they either buy or they opt out of your list, okay? This is the way I automated it. I had these emails in place. When I was posting on social media, people would reach out. I would send them to a page called a capture page, which basically collects the person's email, and then it would go out following up, selling them through emails, okay? So eventually, one of the people on my list, they saw the opportunity, they saw the value, they reached out their credit card, and they made a purchase, and they got started. And when they got started, I got a portion of that sale, or the $1,500 that had come in on autopilot, okay? So I hope you liked this video. I hope this kind of broke down how you can kind of really start to do this. It's very possible, my friend. It's very possible. I don't care if you haven't succeeded in the past. I don't care if you've tried a lot of different things. Maybe you've done Shopify. Maybe you've tried e-commerce, drop shipping on eBay. I don't care if you've tried a lot of different things. This is incredibly simple and incredibly possible when you get started and when you make a decision that you're going to do this no matter what, okay? So if you like this video, my friend, leave me a like, leave me a comment below if you got value. How did this help? How you're going to apply it? Subscribe for more videos so you never miss out on my powerful free training just like this. And last but not least, click the link below if you want to find out how you can put this in place, how you can get the done for you emails, how you can get all the capture pages, how you can plug into a system so you can start to wake up to these $1,000 commissions just like I did and so many of my students. So thanks so much for watching, my friend. Click the link below and I'll see you on the next video.